Hi, I'm Danny from Mira Showers. We just wanted to create this little video just to let you, our customer, know how we are protecting you during the COVID-19 crisis. First of all, before we reach your property, when we are in the van, we will give you a phone call to ask you a series of questions to do with the visit, such as where does your water turn off, where does your electric turn off, and where is your shower, and just to make sure that we have access to all of these whilst we are on site. So when we arrive on site, we will be following the government's social distance guidelines. In addition to these, we also have the following PPE. We have shoe covers for when we get to your property, and they are all unique to each job, so we will only use one pair per job. We use a face mask on every single job that we visit, just to make sure that our customers are safe. We use hand sanitising gel both before and after a visit. We also wipe down all tools that are used on a job with universal antibacterial wipes, just to make sure that everyone is safe. We hope that you stay safe throughout these times. Thank you.